Welcome to YADON Schule, Germany. This is the heat treatment annealing furnace. Each YADON press after welding must be put into the furnace for heat treatment and annealing. The purpose is to remove or release the inner strength of this machine frame and machine basement to guarantee the reliability and stability of the machine frame and parts. That's why YADON is able to manufacture the super heavy press and a super high speed press. That's our advantage. And we have another one over there. Yeah, that's it. Because of the high consumption, other competitors do not have this furnace.